In this video, we will introduce a type of logic model called a theory of impact, also known as a TOI. Learn more about how a theory of impact can help organizations understand what works about a program and why. And explore an example of how a theory of impact can help organizations make informed decisions to increase their impact. A theory of impact is a type of logic model. A logic model is a visual tool that shows how an organization or program reaches its goals. Logic models are often used to better understand the relationship between a program's actions and their intended effects. There are many names for different logic models, and they can be used in any sector. A theory of impact describes how you expect your program activities to lead to specific desired changes. A theory of impact can also be referred to as a theory of change. A theory of impact is a fillable template that is used to understand how a program action works, reading from left to right. A theory of impact is like a set of dominoes, where each section influences the following section. Strategies lead to changes in targets, and changes in targets lead to changes in outcomes. We will now explore each section of the theory of impact, starting with strategies. Program strategies are the actions your program or organization takes to achieve desired changes. Strategies can be person-based, place-based, or technological. This shifts the question from "Does your program work?" to "What about your program works?" Next, we will discuss targets. Targets are the skills, behaviors, beliefs, attitudes, and/or knowledge that the strategies are directly targeted at changing. Targets ask how your program works. Next, we will discuss outcomes. Program outcomes are the changes that the program hopes to ultimately impact. Outcomes can be short-term or long-term. Last, we will discuss moderators. Moderators help us explain individual differences in response to a program. Moderators can help us understand who benefits most and least from the action. An important thing to remember is that a theory of impact is a living document that can change and be updated over time. Now that we've defined each section of a theory of impact, let's look at an example to understand how to put the pieces together. Imagine a struggling pizza restaurant chain with 2 locations in different cities. The 2 restaurant owners want to know why the chain has been struggling to attract customers in recent years. They each have an idea about how to increase sales. Owner A thinks that not enough potential customers are aware of their restaurant, whereas Owner B thinks the ingredients are the problem. Owner A uses radio commercials as a strategy to increase awareness of the restaurant, while Owner B uses fresher ingredients in their pizzas. The radio commercials and fresher ingredients are the strategies for Owner A and Owner B. Owner A expects that the radio commercials will lead to an increased awareness of the pizza restaurant, while Owner B expects that using fresher ingredients will lead to improved customer opinion on food taste. Increased awareness and improved customer opinions are the targets for Owner A and Owner B. The outcomes that Owner A and B hope to see are increased pizza sales and increased profit for the restaurant chain. Increased pizza sales and increased profits are the outcomes for both Owner A and B. Next, let's look at how moderators may play a role. The moderating factors for the restaurant chain include potential customers' age, income, and home location. These moderators have been added to the theory of impact since they have an effect on the strategies, targets, and outcomes. And remember, a theory of impact is a living document that can change with your program. If they wanted to, each restaurant owner could do additional testing and update their theory of impact over time based on what they learn. By using a theory of impact, the owners discovered that using fresher ingredients was the most effective way to increase sales. Now that they know this, the owners are now empowered to make informed changes to their company strategy. A theory of impact can be used in any area of the early childhood field and can help answer complex questions about a program. This can help make early childhood programs more effective and impactful. Thank you for watching.